In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a country code to a phone number in Google Sheets and display it in the proper phone number format. This can be incredibly useful if you're working with international contacts or simply want your phone numbers to be consistent across your spreadsheets. First, let's begin by opening up Google Sheets. You can do this by navigating to your Google Drive or directly online through Google Sheets. It's key to have the spreadsheet you're working with handy, as we'll need to access it for the next steps. Once your Google Sheet is open, you'll want to select the range of cells containing the phone numbers you wish to modify. Click and drag over the cells. You'll know they're selected when they're highlighted. This ensures that any formatting changes you make will apply to only those specific cells, helping you maintain control over your data. Next, we're heading over to the top menu where you'll find the Format option. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu of formatting possibilities. From here, hover over and select the Number option. This allows us to define how data in these cells is displayed, which is crucial for phone number formatting. After selecting Number, you'll see another menu appear. Here, select Custom Number Format. This feature is incredibly powerful as it gives you the freedom to define exactly how you want your numbers to appear. In the text field that pops up, we're going to enter a special code. Type the plus sign, then the number 1, followed by a hashtag symbol. So it looks like this, +1#. The plus sign and the number are the international dialing code, which you can change to any country code you need. The hashtag acts as a placeholder for the rest of your phone number, ensuring the existing data in those cells remains intact, just formatted with our new code. Now simply click on Apply. This will execute the custom format, and you should instantly see the cells update with the new format, displaying the phone numbers complete with a country code. Check a few cells to confirm that the numbers are accurately transformed, ensuring there's no data accidentally altered in the process. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage phone number formats in your Google Sheets, making your data cleaner and more accessible. Whether you're dealing with a long list of contacts or just a few, this technique adds a layer of professionalism and order to your records. Thanks for watching and happy formatting!